Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's Reading the Red, this rainy Tuesday morning as we approach Christmas. Wow. Matthew chapter 24, and today we're looking at verse 31. And he will send forth his angels with a great trumpet blast, and they will gather his elect from the four winds, from one end of the sky to the other. So he will send forth his angels. And this idea that God will gather the elect, and he will cause the angels to go and get those who have been chosen, this elect group of people. And they're elect because they responded to the revelation of the gospel. Everybody has the opportunity to be part of the elect, but not everyone will choose to be part of the elect. Many will disregard the invitation to connect to God while they're living on the earth. And when they die, their opportunity is gone. And if they're still alive and yet haven't responded to the message of the gospel, when these events take place, then they will not be part of the elect that's caught up in the heavens that are gathered by the angels to draw the elect to God at the end of the age, when the judgment will begin. And that sense of being called and drawn towards God if you're alive. Now, if you're already dead, then the reality of your existence is that you will be called out of the earth later. So the elect who are alive get called up first, and those who are dead have already passed. They right now, whoever they are, and we may well be part of them, they will be gathered in God's presence, living in God's garden. He said to the thief at the cross, "Today you will be with me in paradise." Paradise was the reality of the Garden of Eden, God's garden. Today you will be with me in paradise. If you die a Christian, you go to the place called paradise, which is not heaven. It's the place of disembodied spirits where we wait and are waiting for this great day when God sends those angels with that great trumpet blast and gathers the elect. And then after gathering them, he will come and gather those who are dead, asleep in death, waiting to be gathered. And then after gathering us together to be with him, to draw us into that place of eternity in heaven with God, then the judgment begins. And that sense of end of the age judgment, the dread of God's wrath, having rejected his free gift of salvation, this gift of mercy, this dispensation of grace, having rejected it to stand before a God who has given you the opportunity to be saved, and yet you disregarded it because you would not believe in his Saviour, is a dreadful thought. And I feel sad desperately for those who will be in that place. Make sure that that place isn't where you are at the end of the age when you hear, if you're still here, that trumpet blast. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Be blessed. Stay dry, and I'll see you tomorrow.